Since smartphones are getting way better and people are holding on to phones for longer, do you think we will have to purchase software updates in the future when smartphones become too advanced and as the benefit of having a new device gets to its lowest point? Well, that's an old school throwback. We were talking the other day. I remember as a kid waiting in line for a Windows box, an upgrade, I think it was to Windows 95, the physical box to get up to date, to be one with the modern times of that era, which was Windows. That's pretty wild. No, I don't think this will happen. I mean, in fact, I feel like it's going the other direction. You have these bizarre licensing agreements on the Android side, for example. Google's business, they're the primary provider of operating systems really now when it comes to market share, footprint. And their model, their business model is so diversified. They're making money on ads. They're making money on services, Google Drive. Like they're coming in later on. They get their foot in the door and then figure out how to generate revenue from you as a user along the way, tracking you and so forth, YouTube and all these various ways. There's such a diversified business. They don't need to charge you for an OS. So I don't personally see that happening. On Apple's side, I don't see that either, because even back in the day when they didn't have the market share that they did with laptops, oh no, they did used to charge at one time.
They did, yeah.
They used to charge and then they got rid of it because...
but it was like $30.
It wasn't a lot of money. That's true. It just does not seem like a futuristic concept to me. It's just this stuff is too fluid. These patches are flying out left, right, and center. I don't think that's going to happen in the future. I think the way that these businesses are going to continue to generate revenue in the face of a limited number of hardware upgrades is that they're going to have to get more involved in the services, diversified offerings like Google, like Apple is pitching on their latest keynote, Amazon. They're going to just have to do more things. That's what I see happening.